All right, example 8. Geeks R Us, a computer repair service, charges $100 for the first hour of labor and $85 for each additional hour. The total labor charge for repair charge was $610. What was the total repair time? So, this particular business is charging their customers the repair charge. Let's say C equals repair charge. Let's say T equals hours after first hour. I'm going to write an equation here, and that's kind of what's happening in this problem. That's how they're charging people, right? They have a flat fee for the first hour, and then every additional hour. So if they're there for 3 hours, the first hour happened and there were 2 additional hours, so T would equal 2 in that scenario. Does that make sense to everybody, how I'm setting this up? Again, before I write an equation, I want to identify what the letters I'm going to use in the equation are so I can write a good equation with it. So, the repair charge is equal to $100 plus $85 for every hour after the first. Now, what I have to be cautious of here, knowing what my variables represent, it says how long do they work. T is not going to be the answer to the problem. T is going to help me find the answer to the problem, but I have to make sure that I answer the question they're asking. If they say how many hours they work, I have to add that first hour they worked. I think the T is going to be how many extra hours they worked, right? So, we know the repair charge was $610, so they're telling me C equals 610. So 610 equals 100 plus 85T. Now the only variable left is T, so I need to solve for that. So I'm going to move my 100 over. That gives me 510 is equal to 85T. Divide both sides by 85. Our calculator has to evaluate. 510 divided by 85 is 6. And again, be careful, because what does T represent? Hours after the first hour, right? So there were 6 hours after the first hour. The first hour also happened, so the total repair time, that's what it asks for, would be 7 hours. Because the 6 hours of additional time plus the 1 hour that cost $100. As you create your equations, make sure you understand what the variables you're using represent. Make sure you answer the question they're asking based on your understanding of the answers.